Hi, we are First Tech Challenge Team 10464 of the Bionic Tigers. And for the past 3 years, we have created and hosted a Girl Scouts badge program for Daisies, Brownies, and Juniors to earn 3 robotics badges. This is an instructional video on how to create your own Girl Scouts robotics badge program. Our second badge is Designing Robots. To do this, we need to discover the future of robots. We taught the girls about biomimicry, which is used in a lot of robot examples you can show from videos. Some we use is an underwater robot snake that can make mechanical repairs, a Boston Dynamics robot that can open doors, and a robot bat that flies like a bat. To plan and determine your robot's expertise, we asked the Girl Scouts to share some ideas of problems that robots could solve. They tend to come up with problems that they can relate to in their personal lives, example, cleaning your room or doing your homework. Encourage them to think of bigger issues in the world as well. We then want to create a prototype. We have used different materials for prototyping, and both are good options. One is to use simple craft materials like cardboard, string, tape, and paper. Recycled materials like plastic lids and straws are also helpful. If you use craft materials, it is a good idea to pre-cut cardboard into manageable sized pieces and has strong scissors available for girls to use. Having round items to use for wheels is also helpful. The second option is to use building materials like Connects Plus for prototyping. If you're using a reusable option like this, make sure to have enough pieces available to give the girls plenty of building options. For this activity, we have the girls work in small groups of 3 to 5 girls with a member of our team as an advisor. Together, they can decide on which idea they want to prototype and brainstorm ideas of how to build their robot. Lastly, we want to get feedback for our robots. We have the small group share their prototypes with a team member or another small group to get feedback on their ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you continue to inspire young generations through STEM.
Great job.